Hello, guys. In this video, we will see how to install XAMPP on Ubuntu. The process is same for all Ubuntu versions like Ubuntu 20.04 or 22.04. Even for new release, 24.04 also. Open Firefox. So we have to go to Apache Friends .org site. Then we have to download the XAMPP Apache Friends.org. And hit enter. See here, XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment. It is completely free, easy to install. The install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP and Perl. It is an open source package, has been set up to incredibly easy to install and to use. Also, see here the versions of the XAMPP is 8.2, and its PHP version also same. Okay. The current stable version at the time of making this video is 8.2.12. Okay. So click on XAMPP Linux. See here? The message, your download will start automatically. If it doesn't, you have to click on here, but wait some time. Wait few seconds. Here, it will see, download has been started, and its size is 153 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. See, download has been completed. It is not the Devon package. It is the .run file. Okay, so now open Terminal. Click on Show Applications, then search here for Terminal. Click on Terminal. Then go to Downloads directly. CD. Downloads, hit enter, ls. See here, we have the .run file. Before executing this file, we must have to change the permissions. chmod 755 XAMPP. Now run this jam file, this jam run file. Wait. It is going to open the installation wizard. Okay. So we have to run this with sudo privilege, or you have to switch from the current user to root user. Okay, I'm giving sudo, run it. Click on C. We'll have the setup user. Click on Power Century. It's going to copy the files, XAMPP files and XAMPP developer files. We can uncheck only the XAMPP developer files, but not XAMPP core files. So keep both as it is. Click on Forward. See, this will be the installation directive. That is opt and lamp. So click on Forward. See now, ready to install. Click on Forward. See, installation has been completed. So if you want to launch this app, you have to keep the checkbox as it is and click on Finish. So I want to launch, and I want to see this app wizard. So click on Finish. See here, this is a welcome screen. OK. And if you want to manage servers, you have to click on Manage Servers. See, all three are stopped. MySQL database stopped, ProFTP stopped, and Apache web server also stopped. So click on Start. Also, click on MySQL database and click on Start. See, Apache server, Apache web server also started. Now go to Firefox, then localhost. See, we are successfully connected to Apache. We have successfully connected to web server. Then let's create sample PHP web page and try to reload. OK. Go to terminal. Go to install directory, that is, oct. LAMP. Then go to htdocs. Here it is. OK. cd htdocs. Then here, ls. Create a sample PHP file. Even if you go with this index.php file, will reload the same. Let me remove this one. Index.php. See, same page has been loaded. OK. Now create sample page file. Sudo vi or nano, any text editor you can use, which is familiar. vi.php. I do insert mode, PHP tags. Echo. Welcome to Octoschools. Echo underline. Save the file. Now go to web page. Remove this dashboard. Put : then give the PHP file. That is web page. Hit enter. See, we got the same one. You see, both are in same lines. OK, let me modify. Echo. Line break. Save the file. Reload. See, we got the second line. But if you stop this, Apache web server will be not able to get this file. OK. Click on reload. See, we are unable to. But if you start it, wait until the status has been changed it to running. Yeah, now reload it. See, we got the same page. OK. So in this video we have seen how to download and install XAMPP server on Ubuntu 22.04. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.